Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened.
Let's break it down.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened. Worried, worry.
La moitié des choses pour lesquelles je me suis inquiété ne sont jamais arrivées. Repeat.
Half the stuff I worried about. Half the stuff I worried about. Never happened. Never happened.
Usage examples.
Half of. I ate half of the pizza.
J'ai mangé la moitié de la pizza.
He spent half his life in prison.
Il a passé la moitié de sa vie en prison.
I only have half of what I need.
Je n'ai que la moitié de ce dont j'ai besoin.
They lived happily for half a century.
Ils ont vécu heureux pendant un demi-siècle.
Stuff. I have a lot of stuff to do.
J'ai beaucoup de trucs à faire.
She has some stuff to do before leaving.
Elle a des choses à faire avant de partir.
Don't touch my stuff.
Ne touche pas à mes affaires.
If I leave for the weekend, I'll take my stuff with me.
Si je pars pour le week-end, je prendrai mes affaires avec moi.
Worried, worry. She worried about her son's health.
Elle s'inquiétait pour la santé de son fils.
I worried about the test.
Je me suis inquiété pour l'examen.
He worried that he might be late.
Il craignait d'être en retard.
She worried over her daughter's safety.
Elle se préoccupait de la sécurité de sa fille.
Happened, happen. It happened last night.
C'est arrivé hier soir.
The accident happened at the intersection.
L'accident a eu lieu à l'intersection.
I don't know what happened.
Je ne sais pas ce qui est arrivé.
The same thing happened to me.
La même chose m'est arrivée.
Vocabulary recap.
Half. The stuff I worry about never happen
Read. Listen.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened.
This is a brand new channel. Help us improve. What can we do better?
Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.